All right, excellent job once again. And yeah, a couple flubs in the mode thing. No big deal. No big deal. Shows you definitely understood it there. And yeah, I got all the notes inputted correct and all the modes changed. So yeah, everything looking good. So once again, we're going to jump ahead to in this case is we do have a polyrhythm. We got polyrhythm and polymeter this time. So this is one of those things where for most people I have like extra stuff to build up into this like final idea. So we'll see how it goes because it went really well the last time we had a polymeter. So yeah, let's just have at it. Um, Ghost strums is something I highly recommend everybody do on this sort of thing. It's something that I will do almost all the time, almost every time. I try and do it as much as possible because I just feel much more confident and solid in this sort of thing when I use the ghost drums. What the hell is that? So, like for this, basically, everything is gonna ring out for a beat and a half, so 3/8 notes long. So when I'm doing this, I am hitting one strum and then missing two. Hit it once, miss it twice. So da 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 like that. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. This way, I'm keeping track of downbeats and upbeats while I'm strumming, and I have a much better chance of being accurate when I hit the strum. So that's the full pattern right there. So if you were to count something like this, you could count it like 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. So something like this, it can be quite helpful to say downbeats you're not playing on because of how this is spaced. So last week, what you played, saying all that stuff out loud, only what you play, to me it makes the most sense for that sort of thing because we got, even though two downbeats are not played on each bar, we don't have a bunch of big spaces, it's not a bunch of things ringing out for several beats. Here we got more space going on. I feel it's best for a lot of people. Say the downbeat numbers you are not playing on to help you keep track of what's happening. So, and there's a couple ways we can count this. So that's just one of the ways. So like going 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. So let me demonstrate that with the click. Yeah, so counting it like 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. You can also count just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. When it gets going faster, you can even just go 1 and just do that 1 and. So it will change up a bit depending on what speed I'm playing. So whichever method allows you to lock into the rhythm, that's the one you want to lean on. And it might change for you depending on what speed you're playing. So one speed you might be doing the 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. Another speed you might be doing the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Another speed you might just say what you play, going 1 and 1 and so on. So polymetric, because for 3 beats, 1, 2, 3, that's the full rhythmic pattern. So that's going to happen 1, 2, 3, 4 times before it begins again at the beginning of a bar. So for 4 time signature, So we count it. The rhythm pattern is basically a 3/4 pattern, but it's laid out across a 4/4 time signature, and the chords change each new bar. So lots of stuff happening there. And I did say we do have a polyrhythm. Polyrhythm because we have 2 chords evenly spaced across 1, 2, 3 beats. So basically, we have the metronome beat that we're following, that kind of pulse, but then the chords that we space out across those, they get their own pulse, their own tempo. So really, calling it like a polytempo could work because you got 2 tempos that are basically happening. So your foot's tapping along with the metronome, evenly spaced, and then your hand's going to be hitting the chords evenly spaced the whole time. So that's why we have the polyrhythm, because we have 2 chords evenly spaced across 3 beats. Polymeter, because we have a 3/4 time signature strumming pattern in a 4/4 time signature piece of music. So polytastic. Now, we have the rhythm written out 2 ways. First way, we're using a bunch of tied 1/8 notes to see, where the downbeats and upbeats are a little more easily. So quarter note tied to this 1/8 note, 1/8 note tied to this quarter note, and it's always like that. Quarter tied to 8, 8 tied to quarter, quarter tied to 8, 8 tied to quarter. And you're always going to be switching between hitting a downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, which means we keep changing, playing on a downbeat, upbeat, downbeat, upbeat. And then the second way of notating it, we are using dotted quarter notes. So remember, when you dot something, you extend the length of it by half. Half of a quarter note is an 1/8 note. So a dotted quarter note is quarter note plus an 1/8 note in length. So it's the same rhythm down here, just looks a bit cleaner. And then we're using dyads. So we got 2-finger minor chord or 2-note minor chord into 2-finger or 2-note major chord. And then we switch into good old power chords after that. Okay. Count of 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, And playing that reminded me, when I get going faster, I tend to just count how many times I've strummed the chord because I'm already locked into the strumming pattern. So that's something else you might try. It's like once you're locked into the strumming pattern and it feels good, just count how many times you played the chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, done. And 240. easy. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good God. All right. The mode deal this week. So let's think a little different. So what I have here is the starting riff. Now that's in a 12/8 time signature. However, we're basically just going to feel it out like triplets for the most part. Set it to whatever tempo you want, but I think you can do fine with this based on, you know, what you've played so far. Well, at 60 we'd have this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awful lot of buzz in that area right now. I need new strings. I need to make some adjustments. But yeah, that 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, with the repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you change all the mode stuff, you might want to play it a bit slower so you can concentrate a little better. Because, yeah, after playing it just now, I was like, you know, that's going to be a pain in the ass, changing all the modes. But anyway, yeah, whatever tempo works for you is totally fine. You know, change it to whatever you like. But the goal, besides learning that and being able to play, the whole thing again, you know, little mistake here and there for the video. Not a huge deal. Just need to make sure you understand what's happening and make sure you can still play it. Because, yeah, the longer it goes, the chances of mistakes happening really increase quite a bit. So this time, I already labeled the mode in, like, different orders. So this is not going, like, you know, changing one interval at a time like we've done the past couple. This time, I've just kind of picked different mode names. And your job is to change what is necessary to create the new mode. So it is starting with Aeolian. So the Aeolian mode. So now you got to take that and take the Aeolian and turn it into Dorian. And then you got to take Aeolian and turn that into Phrygian. And then you take Aeolian and turn it into Locrian. And then Lydian, Mixolydian, and Ionian at the end. So in addition to changing the notes necessary within that riff, change the key as well. Change the key signature to match the appropriate key that each mode goes into. So that's the assignment. If any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again in your new videos.